bright stars. I was in a lifeboat wandering far until I found a lighthouse guiding me out the dark. When I'm scared, I send a flare and you're here.